Hello everyone, in the previous video we had discussed about the motion, the status of rest and motion, and finally we had defined the stationary point. In this video we are going to discuss how we can describe the motion now. So to describe the motion of an object we need some new terminologies which you must be familiar with, like the distance and the displacement. Remember here that distance, it is the actual length of the path traversed by an object during its motion, but displacement, it is the shortest distance between the initial and the final position of an object.
Al Raib Academy.
That here is an object at position A, traveling in a straight line along a axis. The object reaches a point B after some time t. Say it traveled a distance of 100 km. Then on retracing its path, the object travels a distance of 30 km and reaches up to the point C. Total distance here is the distance from A to B, then from B to C. That is 100 plus 30. 130 km is the total length of the path, or actual length of the path that the object has traveled. Is the displacement also 130? Not necessary. As we said, displacement, it is the shortest distance between the two pointers, between the two locations. So the shortest distance from A to C is the difference of AB and BC, which comes to be 100 minus 30, that is 70 km. So the distance and the displacement need not always to be of equal magnitude. We can summarize here distance and displacement. As we said, distance, it is the actual length of the path traveled by the object during its motion, whereas displacement, it is the shortest distance between the two locations or between the two positions. In case of distance, we have mentioned the path through which the body has actually traveled. So we say that distance is path dependent, whereas displacement, it does not bother about the path at all. It only needs the initial position and the final position. So it is path independent. To specify the distance, in our case we needed a magnitude and a unit. When we said that is 130 kilometer. 130, it was the magnitude, and kilometer, it is the unit that we used. So to specify the distance we need magnitude and a unit, but to specify the displacement we need a magnitude, a unit, as well as the direction in which the body is traveling. Is it from east to west or from west to east, north to south or south to north? We have to mention the direction in which the body is traveling. In our case, the body traveled a distance of 130 km and a displacement of 70 km, but from A to B. Therefore, we say that distance, it is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement, it is a vector quantity. Moreover, distance can be positive or it can be 0, but displacement can be positive, 0, as well as negative.